Hello, and welcome to the AdaptEd library from ChemoExperts. In this video, we'll be covering the basics of the AdaptEd library toolbar. The left side of the toolbar features your account management and admin tools, if you have admin privileges. The admin panel allows you to add users under your account. Change password allows you to reset your password. And then log out logs you out of the administration tools. Need help? Has the tutorials which you've used to view this tutorial, as well as a page creation request form. You can use this to request another treatment or side effect page if it's not currently within the system. On the right side of the toolbar will be your editing tools for editing the content of your AdaptEd library. If you see this lock icon in the top right corner of the toolbar, that means the page you're on is not editable. Let's browse through the site and find a page that is editable. This page has an edit page icon at the top right corner, therefore it is editable. Same with the treatment page. Let's go ahead and click this edit page icon. As you can see, the icons in the top right corner have changed. We're now presented with 3 additional options. The trash can icon will delete any custom changes to the page and will revert the page to the ChemoExperts default content. The save icon will save the page, including any changes made to the various content sections. The cancel icon will close out the page and remove all of the edits you've made since saving. Moving down the page, each editable section is now highlighted and can be edited using the AdaptEd library. Let's take a few minutes to get familiar with the editor itself. Once you click into a section, a toolbar will appear at the top of the section. This is called a WYSIWYG editor. What you see is what you get. You have various tools including bold and italics, as well as a link tool. These 3 buttons, the H3, bulleted list, and numbered list, are here to allow you to add lists and heading styles to your content. And the clear formatting button will strip any styles either from pasting in content or from using the editor. Let's test making some various formatting changes. First, I'm going to make this a bulleted list. As you can see, it only added 1 bullet, so I'm going to go to the end and hit enter. Now we have a line break here, I'm going to delete it. Now you can see we have our bulleted list. If we want an individual word to be bold, we can also do that. Another helpful tip is regarding line breaks. If we go to an end of a section and hit enter, you'll see that it adds a space in between my new line and my old line. If we hold shift and hit enter, it will not add that space. This can be helpful when setting up formatting, similar to how these items are listed here. We can also have a heading and choose this as an H3 to automatically adjust some spacing and do our bold copy. Now a paragraph underneath this one will look as such. If we want to mirror the items here, we won't use the heading. We'll simply use the bold tag, as well as our shift enter trick. Let's talk briefly about links. Currently, if we want to link to a different page completely, we can use our linking tool to link to an additional page. If we want to open this link in a new window or in the current window, we have that option as well. Occasionally you will see these orange links. These are tooltips throughout the site. We currently don't have the ability to add or edit tooltips, but you can cancel the links to them. We also do have basic undo and redo functionality. And let's go ahead and try out that clear formatting tool. You can see it removed all of the bold tags that we had throughout the content. Since I don't want to keep the edits here that I've made, let's try the cancel button. As you can see, we do have a pop-up to avoid any misclicks that we aren't intending to click on. As you can see, the page has been reverted to my pre-edited state. Let's go ahead and save some changes though. I'm going to make these bold. Now I'm going to click Save. As you can see, I have another pop-up to make sure that I want to save the page. The saved icon here at the bottom shows that it was successful. Now I can simply navigate away from this page or click the cancel icon. I have no unsaved changes, so I don't need to worry about this message. Let's go ahead and remove all of our content edits on this page. Again, another disclaimer to make sure that we want to do this. I'm going to click Yes, Delete. You can see that this page is now reverted to the original ChemoExperts content. The final thing you need to know is about site-wide content. When editing a page, there are a few sections that aren't editable because they are site-wide. For instance, the patient assistance content, as well as the emotional wellness content. While you do have the ability to add additional content below, the standard content is under the site-wide content page. Let's click on the site-wide content page. As you can see, I now have the basic editor in both of these sections. There is one final thing to note within the various content sections, mainly in the site-wide content. There are variables that are used throughout the content. This is shortcode within your adapted library. It pulls in the various page title or patient assistance items for the page that this is on. You want to keep this code intact and try not to edit it, otherwise it will be broken. And that's it for your introduction to the adapted library from ChemoExperts. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out.